Missing a connection because your first flight ran late feels awful. The clock is loud, take a breath. You have options. Airlines handle this every day, you can too. Today, I will give you a clear, step-by-step plan. You will know exactly what to say, who to ask, and what to expect. We will cover fast rebooking moves, your rights in the United States, Europe, the United Kingdom, and Canada, and how to ask for meals and hotels when you qualify. You will learn how to protect checked bags, secure your seat, and avoid long lines. I will also show you simple tools that help seniors move faster and with less stress. Think of this like a train platform change. The destination stays the same. You just choose the best track. Stay with me, and by the end, a missed connection will feel like a detour, not a disaster. When you see the door close on your next flight, act quickly, not hurried. Open your airline app right away. Many apps auto-offer new flights. Accept the best option, even if it is not perfect. You can improve it after you are protected. If the app shows nothing, call the airline while you walk to the service desk. 2 lines are better than 1. Use calm, simple words. Say you were misconnected due to a delay. Ask to be protected on the next available flight in the same cabin at no extra cost. If the next flight is full, ask for standby and for a confirmed seat on the following flight as a backup. If a partner airline has seats, ask for an endorsed reroute on an alliance partner. If your trip is time sensitive, ask to be moved to a different connecting city that arrives sooner. If you need assistance, request wheelchair service or early boarding on your new flight. Keep your bags in sight and your ID ready. Screenshot everything the app shows. It is your paper trail. If the purpose of your trip is gone, ask about a refund instead of a credit. That can be available after a significant delay. Quick note for you. Share your route and airline in the comments, and I will reply with the likely protections you can ask for on that carrier and region. Protections vary by where you fly and who operates your flight. In the United States, there is no law that forces airlines to pay hotels or cash for weather or air traffic delays. Airlines still rebook you on their next flight. Some offer hotel or meal vouchers in controllable delays, like a mechanical problem. Policies differ by airline. Ask politely and mention you are a senior traveler who needs rest. In the European Union and the United Kingdom, rules called EU 261 and UK 261 provide strong protections. If you start in the EU or UK, or you fly on an EU or UK carrier, the airline must provide duty of care when you're delayed. That means meals, drinks, and hotels when the wait is long. If your arrival is late by 3 hours or more and the cause is within the airline's control, you may also be owed compensation. In Canada, the APPR sets duty of care for controllable delays. Large carriers must rebook you quickly, sometimes even on other airlines, if they cannot get you out in a reasonable time. Overnight stays for controllable delays can trigger hotel and ground transport. Keep receipts for meals and transport if you are told to self-purchase. Bottom line, ask for duty of care when a long wait is the airline's fault, and ask for rerouting when any delay causes a missed connection. Always confirm if your ticket is on one record. Single tickets carry stronger protection. Agents handle rebooking all day. Clear words help them help you. Lead with facts, then your ask. Keep it short. Say you were delayed on flight number, missed connection to city, and need protection today. Offer options the system might allow. Ask for the very next flight in the same cabin. If the seat map is full, ask for standby plus a confirmed backup. Then ask about other hubs that arrive sooner. If the airline's own flights will not work, ask if the ticket can be endorsed to a partner in the same alliance. Use names like Star Alliance, a Sky Team, or One World so the agent knows you understand. If you are flying on a single ticket, say that you need to be protected through to your final destination. If you have mobility or medical needs, ask for aisle seating or a seat closer to the front. If you are sent to a hotel, ask for a meal voucher and ground transport details. Document the agent's name and the reissue or revalidation number. That reference helps if plans change again. If you book separate tickets, ask for goodwill help. Some agents can reticket within their control, but they do not have to. If refused, ask the second airline to honor your fare for a later flight with the lowest change fee. Calm voices get more doors open. Long delays drain energy fastest when you're hungry and tired. Duty of care rules help, depending on where you are and why the delay happened. Always ask what the airline can provide. They may offer meal vouchers, hotel rooms, and transport to and from the hotel during controllable delays. For weather or air traffic, some airlines still provide help as a courtesy. It varies by carrier and status. If you are given a hotel, confirm the shuttle schedule and keep the voucher safe. If told to find your own, choose a reasonably priced option near the airport and save all receipts. Keep food purchases modest and practical. Use water fountains to refill a bottle. If you have a premium credit card, call the benefits line. Some cards cover trip delay meals and hotels after a set number of hours. Ask about coverage before you spend. Need quiet now? Ask if a lounge pass can be provided during a long delay. Airlines sometimes grant this in disruptions, especially for seniors or those with medical needs. If not, look for a day pass or a pay-per-use lounge. Set 2 alarms in the hotel and request a wake-up call. Missing the morning shuttle is the most common new mistake. When you miss a connection, your checked bag may continue on the original route, get pulled to the carousel, or sit in a secure area waiting for retagging. Your job is to ask where it will be sent and to have the tag updated to match your new flight. If your bag flew without you, the airline can hold it on arrival or deliver it to your home. Before you leave the airport, get a baggage file reference if your bag is not in your hands. Note the bag tag number from your receipt. Take photos of your bag and tag. If you're rerouted on a partner airline, make sure the bag is interlined. Ask the agent to see that the bag is transferred in the system. Never pack medicines, hearing aids, or critical documents in checked luggage. Keep a day's worth of essentials in your carry-on. If your bag is delayed overnight, many airlines provide a small expense allowance. Keep receipts for basic toiletries and clothing. If items are damaged, report it before leaving the airport when possible. Speed is your friend. Use every channel at once. Open the airline app for auto rebooking. Call the main number while you stand in line. If that holds, try the local office number in another country. Those lines are often shorter. Many airlines offer chat in the app. Use it to lock a seat, then fine-tune later. Check other hubs and partner flights with a simple search. If you see a better option that the system did not offer, ask the agent to move you. Give exact flight numbers and times. That makes saying yes easy. If you booked through a travel site, call their emergency line too. Ask them to coordinate with the airline for a no-charge change due to the delay. If you need special assistance, request it through the app after rebooking. Confirm your new seat, wheelchair service, and boarding time. If you have hearing difficulties, ask for text-based chat support and on-screen alerts. Keep battery power high. Use low power mode and dim the screen. Carry a small power bank. When your new boarding pass arrives, verify the name, date, city pair, and fare class. A correct fare class keeps your mileage and benefits intact. Small checks now prevent big problems later. Protection begins before you click buy. Aim for longer connections than the minimum, especially with mobility needs, large airports, or winter weather. Add extra time for immigration and security when changing from international to domestic. Self-connect on separate tickets, only if you can accept the risk and cost of a misconnect. On one ticket, the airline protects you through to your final stop. Choose earlier flights in the day when possible. Morning flights are like fresh starts. Delays stack up as the day goes on. Avoid the last flight of the night when a tight connection is required. If a non-stop exists at a reasonable price, weigh the value of removing that connection risk. Consider trip delay coverage. Some credit cards and travel policies reimburse meals, hotels, and transport after a set number of hours. Confirm what counts as a covered reason. Save receipts and submit claims promptly. Take a clear photo of your bag tag and itinerary, and sign up for flight alerts from the airline. Early warnings give you a head start on everyone else. Last tip: know your hub layouts. Look at terminal maps before you fly. Short walks beat long sprints. Your calm plan today becomes your smooth trip tomorrow. You now have a simple plan for missed connections caused by delays. Use the app, call while you walk, and speak clearly at the desk. Ask for protection, duty of care, and partner reroutes when they fit. Guard your baggage steps, keep receipts, and document every change. Build cushion into future bookings and carry what you need for one night. Remember, this is a common travel detour. You're not asking for favors. You're asking for the process that gets you home. Stay calm, stay kind, and be precise with your request. That is the fastest path to a new boarding pass and a better seat. Final question for you. Share your missed connection situation in the comments, and I will help you plan the exact words and steps for your route and airline.